Let's do practice paper 4. This paper also contains very easy question but conceptual questions. You can take the table name and column name by yourself. Okay. So moving towards the first question. Write a query statement to display all customers in New York who have a grade value above 100. So we have to display all customers in New York and grade value above this. So what we have to check, whether the city is New York or not, and the grade value should be greater than 100. So the answer is, that is the query must be, select asterisk from customer where city is equal to New York and grade is greater than 100. Okay. Moving towards the second question. Write a SQL statement to display all customers who are either belongs to the city New York or had a grade above 100. So here what is given, either and or. So what will be applying? Or. So select asterisk from customer where city is this or this. That means either this is true or this is true. Okay. Moving towards the third question. Write a SQL statement to display all the customer who are either belongs to the city New York or not had a grade above 100. So what we have to check, whether the city is this or the grade is below this, because it is saying or not had a grade above 100. Okay. So select asterisk from customer where city is New York or not, because we have to negotiate. That means we have to do the negative of this. Grade should be less than 100. Okay. So here we are applying or not, grade is greater than 100. Okay. Coming to the fourth question. Write a SQL query to display those customers who are neither belongs to the city New York nor grade value is more than 100. So we have to ensure that the customer should not be of New York and his grade value should not be more than 100. So we have to apply not. Okay. So city is equal to New York or grade is greater than 100. See here it is given those customer who are neither belongs to the city New York nor grade value is more than 100. So here we must apply and, because we have to ensure that neither the customer should be of New York and the grade should not be greater than 100. Okay. Moving towards question 5th. Write a SQL statement to display salesman ID, name, city and commission who gets the commission within the range of this. So what we have to check, whether the commission range is this or not. So we have to display ID, name, city and commission from salesman where commission is greater than this and commission is less than this. Okay. Coming to the sixth question. Write a SQL statement to display either those orders which are not issued on date this and issued by the salesman whose ID is this and below, or those orders which purchase amount is 1000 and below. So read the question carefully, pause the video and do the query yourself. Okay. So first let me explain the question. So we have to write a SQL statement to display those orders which are not issued on this date, either those orders which are not issued on this date, and salesman ID should be 500 or below it. Okay. Salesman ID should be this or below it, or those orders whose purchase amount is this and below. So we have to ensure that order date should not be this. So we are applying not. So order date should not be this and salesman ID should be 500 or below. So for negative of it, we are applying and salesman ID is greater than 500, because we have applied not here. Okay, and this, or it is saying now, or those order which purchase amount is 1000 and below. So or purchase amount is greater than 1000, because see here, one parenthesis is this and another is this, and not is here. So we have to apply negative of this. Okay, we can write this in another manner also. It could be select asterisk from order where not of this or purchase amount is less than this. Okay, there this will be outside of this not. Okay.